Pixie blue, smaller beads, and placing about like 60%. And blend this one right here is thin if possible. Hi Debbie, how are you? Happy Saturday. And then we are going to blend, and going to pick up my number 17 is bubblegum, smaller beads. It's got a really nice pink though. I want to be like have a really cool like brighter pink. And then blend. Keep your brush flat. Like have a parallels with the nails. Hi China, how are you? Happy Saturday, China. And then pick up the second piece and just about the same size as the first one, and tuck it right under the cuticles right there, and let it rest for just a second. Blend, blend. Need to get more. Pick up just a little bit. Thank you, Jasmine. I'm so glad you like it. And then the best way to blend it when it's still really nice and wet. And really gently touch. You don't want to do it too heavy-handed, because as it's blending, it makes it easier for you. Just a little bit right here. I keep my brush, hold on, how I show my brush. Like that. Like parallels, flat with the nails, instead of using the tips and 45-degree angle here. What it does, you only have a pressure from the tips only, and it might make it look streaky. So you want to keep your brush like parallels like that, flat. And each time, this super Bestie Belly bristles that is special designs from Glitz brushes. It will definitely have a lot of pressures in here, and it blends so much better and evenly than just the tips of the brush. So when you're doing a tip of brush, what it does, you get a lot of like streaky line here because it's only the tip. But when you are holding your brush is flat, it definitely is gonna keep it so nice and smooth, especially it's like full size of the brush with no crimpets at all. So then it will help so much with your ombre techniques. This is one of the tip and trick, and there's a lot of secrets that is no one else share. And they just doing it videos on the top. It looks super easy, and they make it so easy, but actually it was the blending techniques. Keep your brush flat. Why do I sharing? It's not because I was doing something that I want to get a credit to, but I want you to using any other is products, any is powders, or even with the gel polish. This is one of the really simple tip and trick that will definitely take you to the next level. And why you are doing your ombre for years and you're still seeing it's not blending evenly because of that. So try that and let me know if it works out for you. But when at first is when you start with the ombre, you always tend to hold your brush like this. But what you can do, you can pick up the powders, pick it right here, right here, right here. But when you are getting it down, you are going to turn and flatten your brush and go like that. This is like movement would definitely blend every single colors, even though these two colors hard to blend. This usually a lot of them will tell you to using your nude colors and blend, but then when you're seeing it, that the tip and trick how you blend, and this will help you so much. Is cool and techniques and make it so easy when you're blending a liquid and powder from Glitz. Glitz is to make it so much easier for you to use with our system. So now you're happy with this. We are going to add some unicorn. You can, let me see if I can find some more unicorn. Yeah, if I want more, I'm gonna get another unicorn. And I see some flowers. I love this unicorn. This is in the 30,000 followers. Is always like, this is a really good hot sellings. I love it so much. I don't know is wise, but when we have released this one, we are thinking of all season for you. So then you have so many on that little kids. Pick up some crystal clear because I've been talk and it just dry a little bit on me, I guess. But it's okay. You have more crystal clear to add on. Crystal clear. It will stick our unicorn. Hashtag brush. Oh, Dallas. Felicia. Hello, Felicia. How are you? I guess it's your name. All right, so added another one. Well, you can add it on. You can leave it alone. But I feel like maybe unicorn is cute to have some little. You can add so many glitters on. Glitz have over 100 different kind of glitters. You can add it so many. And this is one of the glitters. I don't know how long that took me to go through this. Probably. So funny. It was talking about the glitters and stuff. I just want today's have a really good conversation with one of my really good clients. Is young, but is so have a really awesome mindset. I told her, you know why I chalk what I chalk for you. She was like, no complaint or pre-praise and everything. Well, it's like this week or next week is her birthday too. So happy birthday to my sweet client. Well, if you're watching it on my live, hey, happy birthday. But anyway, she said, I told her, you know what, why I chalk what I chalk, and then why you keep coming to me, even though we are like really the most expensive salon in the town. And she's like, I know it's, and I never question it on Nancy. But then I told her, because then is most of my money from my working from a salon will be go back into invest back into my salon. So because today she will like one it's really gorgeous set of nails with a lot of crystals, and I pull like I have the kids number one, crystal kids number one. Get to the part where we're doing all powders and done, chrome flakes done, and the set it lay. And then when it's get to the part that do crystal placement, she gave me the preference of a set because we're always asking a client send it to us. And then I said, great, okay, you have anything you want me to change? You have an idea or what you don't like, what you hate the most. So then I would not pick that for her. So then I pull like the kids, crystal kids number one, crystal kids number two, crystal kids crystal kits number 3 is the 4-color kits, and then I have 90,000 follower kits, and I will show you all that I've been collecting. And then transcended kits, I have 3 kits. It's really cool because you will never have too much, because when I pull it out, my client, OMG, she said, Nancy, I'm overwhelmed, can you pick it for me? So we'll start sorting it out, and we did this more than she expecting. I said, yep, that's what I chalk because then I can able to use and save the money and put back into the business. So whether you are going to do a liquid gunpowder next times in a different colors or the crystal placement, then you always have a newest trend, you know, in the markets that we keep you up to date. And the clients is happy. So I am capped with a crystal clears with this. I am so obsessed with this.